You are welcome. We have been sitting here since 9 o'clock in the morning. We are actually leaders from various groups. RP, Rajopajo, Wango, Bilawa, Kekwa Acholi, another one.
Some members of parliament.
Some elders, some members of parliament, to do one thing, discuss the executive orders of the President of the Republic of Uganda, order number 3 and number 2. And we have come up with some resolutions, not very many, but we believe they are adequate. So I would request the General Secretary of Wango, Mr. Robert Mugabe, to read it out to you. Then thereafter we may allow a few questions because time is running out. So Robert.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
You can go ahead.
For the Joint Leaders Consultative Meeting on Executive Order number 3 of 2023 and number 2 of 2025. We, the Acholi leaders, gathered in our joint meeting that included Wango, Alpi, Kekwa Acholi, Rochopajo, and Bilawa. Some members of parliament from Acholi and key opinion leaders to consider the Presidential Executive Order number 3 of 2023 and 2 of 2025, appreciate the consistent position of His Excellency the President on the Balalo eviction from Acholi, resulting in the Presidential Directive and the executive orders. We also recognize the inherent challenges that have all along impeded the successful implementation of the Presidential Directive and the executive orders. As Acholi, we commit to the full and successful realization of all aspects of the executive orders. The meeting implores that Acholi is properly represented, that Acholi should be properly represented in all technical processes that include verification regarding the eviction of Balalo. However, we note with deep concern the deliberate efforts by some state and non-state actors to undermine the implementation of the executive orders, resulting in failure to achieve the objectives of the order. We further note with concern that the actions of Balalo in Acholi is causing serious economic, social, and cultural upheavals, resulting in serious community tension, which has the potential to result in another spate of bloodletting in Acholi. We fear, finally, that Balalo question in Acholi, the Balalo question in Acholi, if left unresolved, will seriously affect the trust and confidence of the local community in the government. Thank you.
Any other?
Yes, there's one here.
Any joint ownership, if you own the land jointly, even with the members of your family, It is not your land. You don't own anything. It is jointly owned by all of you. Just like here, our customary land tenure system. Unless you have surveyed your land off and been issued with a land title, it is not your land. The land belongs to the clan, not yours. Even in Milo, it is not yours. But if you own jointly, it belongs to all of you. If you take it to the bank to borrow money, no bank will accept unless you get affidavit, whatever, from the rest of the owner. They're allowing you to use the title, which means it's not yours.
So where does this put people who reportedly purchase land legitimately?
You see, you are fond of putting your question to irrelevant person. What have they bought? Was it a land title? What are you buying? When you are buying land, you are, after finishing paying the owner of the land, his land title will be transferred to you. Now, what has been transferred to these people who have bought land? Have you seen any transfer document?
There's people who want to
I
supplement
just want to say one thing, that the customary land tenure is communal. It does not belong